Battery, camera is recording now.
So, want to introduce it?
Hey guys, we just did our first FPV flight. Went well, but I forgot to start the camera recording, so we're gonna record again. We're recording from the HD keychain camera, 808 number 16 with the big awesome lens of awesomeness. It's just slightly out on the right wing so that we can see below us. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna fly it FPV again. Here, so shall I do takeoff, Steven?
Yeah.
Alright, here.
You want to watch it?
Yeah, I'm taking off the goggles going forward.
Sure.
Okay, here we go. Gonna try again. That went very well last time.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take off, hand it off to Steven, put the goggles on, and he'll hand it back to me.
That's the plan. Yeah, but it's just different, and like... I know, it's different. The only difficult thing about it, though, is that... Give me a joystick, I'll be fine.
Because it's different, well, here, we can put a,
Here, let's talk to them.
Yeah.
Don't touch the
Hey
throttle, by
guys,
the way.
we are back. Here, I'm gonna turn off the throttle right now, actually.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That was pretty good.
I'm still shaking.
Yeah, I took it off, line of sight, handed it to Steven. He flew it line of sight for a while I put the goggles on and got used to what the video felt like.
Where's the throttle?
Hang on, we can't unplug it yet because it'll turn off the camera. But,
can you unplug the speed controller? What did I just kneel in?
I think you kneeled in poop. Anyway, yeah, so then I put the goggles on and got used to feeling the FPV again. Once I got used to that, after about 15 seconds or so, 20 seconds, Steven stood next to me and handed me the controls, which was a little bit iffy because we had 2 attempts, one of which went kind of scary.
They both were scary.
Yeah, they were both scary, but anyway, and then I flew FPV for what, 2 minutes?
Yeah.
2 or 3 minutes?
We decided to end it short before something bad happened.
Yeah, we decided to land, so I then handed the controls off to Steven at fairly high altitude. Took off the goggles, found the plane, and then he handed me back the controls, and I landed it, so...
It's good.
All in all, it was a pretty successful day. We're gonna do a lot more FPV flying after this. We'll probably try and find a location with a little more open space, because these trees are a bit scary.
You almost hit the power lens over there at one point.
Did I?
Yeah.
Wow,
that's why I told you to bank right at one point. I was like, bank!
Yeah. Anyway,
yeah.
Overall, we had a lot of fun. Yeah, the video range on this is pretty good. We were just using stock antenna for now, because...
The only time it derped was when we were aiming the antenna at it a little bit.
Yeah, we had the antenna on the goggles aiming at the plane accidentally. It was angled. So I didn't have very good video signal. But then
scary.
Then Steven straightened my antenna and that fixed it.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, flew well.
We'll rambling, I think.
Yeah, we're gonna find probably somewhere a bit better to fly from.
I think we should do some slope soaring after this.
Maybe, yeah.
What do you think?
And we're gonna try out the big long-range antenna that should get us about 2 Ks of range. And we'll be using his FreeSky controller so that we have enough control range as well. Anyway, yeah, see you guys. We'll do a lot more FPV flying in the future.